There is a long cleanup ahead, and we are finally getting a stretch of calm weather.
Yeah, and Kate, we definitely need a break from all the rain, that's for sure.
We do indeed. And you know, really the next 7 to 10 days looking very quiet, very calm. And that is the best news of all, because the last thing we need on top of the ground being as saturated as it is, the rivers and streams and creeks, as we know, still in flood warnings. We do not need any more rain, and it doesn't look like we'll get much. So finally, some good news coming out of the weather department. Take a look at how much rain, though, fell with Ida. The heaviest of the rainfall was over portions of Chester County. You can see the darker purple shading. Montgomery, Bucks County, up into Mercer County, even into the Lehigh Valley. A general swath of 9 to 10 inches. Amounts were a little bit lower in Philadelphia, about 3 or 4. Same story. Wilmington down toward Newark, Delaware, and down into portions of South Jersey. Many spots only picked up an inch or two. However, these totals upstream of the Schuylkill River, that's what really contributed to the major flooding we saw along the river today. When you get 10 inches of rain in Downingtown, 9 inches of rain in Coatesville, these are numbers we don't see very often. These look like snow numbers and not rainfall numbers. Just incredible amounts of rain with this storm. Hatfield 8.41, Buckingham 8.05, also with a tornado that touched down there, and Perkasie about 7.5 inches of rain. Our flood warnings are dropping off the map. That's what we like to see. We're moving in the right direction. There is still a flood warning in effect for the Schuylkill River, also the Delaware River. They just dropped the flood warning for the Brandywine Creek, so it's now mainly just the two major rivers, and those tend to flood later than the smaller creeks and streams because, again, it's downstream getting the water from the tributaries. At one point, though, 14 area rivers and creeks were at major flood stage. They are not there anymore. Most are at moderate flood stage or minor flood stage now. The Schuylkill River, again, the highest crest in over 150 years. So you have to go back over 150 years to find flooding like what we saw today. That's why really none of us have ever seen that in our lifetime. Widespread road closures still in effect across the region. They will be below flood stage by morning, but some of those closures may continue. So certainly pull up the Maps app on your phone before you head out tomorrow morning to see if the roads you take will be open. Storm Scan 3 showing the remnants of Ida are out of here, and we've got clear skies tonight. Boy, it's such a beautiful day, almost incongruously beautiful, looking at the images of flooding and damage with that deep blue sky behind it. But it's exactly what we need. Dry weather, calm conditions as we head into the weekend. 68 outside right now, 61 in Trenton. It's in the 50s in Allentown, 60 degrees in Wilmington, and 61 right now in Lancaster. Dew points very low as well. Dew points are in the low 50s, and it has been a long time since we've felt air as crisp and comfortable as what's in place right now. Tonight will be a taste of fall. 57 degrees outside when you wake up tomorrow morning. A light breeze from the northwest at 5 to 10 miles per hour. The kind of morning you may actually be able to pull out a jacket or a sweater. We haven't needed that in a very long time. The first real taste of fall in the air right now, tonight into tomorrow. Tomorrow is sunny and beautiful with low humidity. We do have a hurricane to talk about, but this is Larry. Larry is a Category 1 hurricane, and it's not a threat to land anytime soon, but it is going to rapidly strengthen. It's headed into a warm water, low shear environment, and very quickly by Saturday, it's a Cat 3 major hurricane, becoming a Category 4. But notice it stays north of the Lesser Antilles here, and we'll have to watch it as we get into next week, but certainly no immediate threat to any land area. So your Eyewitness Weather 7-day forecast for now looks amazing. Friday, Saturday looking good. Maybe a shower Sunday. It's few and far between. It's a beautiful Labor Day Monday, a gorgeous start to Rosh Hashanah on Tuesday, and next week maybe a spotty shower Wednesday, but really it looks like a largely dry forecast, Yuki, for the next week to week and a half. We'll send it back to you.
Good to see you. Kate, thank you.